Alright, we are the IBM OpenStack team. We are working on creating a better format for the meeting wiki that is being shown here. As of right now, the meeting wiki shows all of the OpenStack meetings. As you can see, there are a very, very large number, about 50 meetings. Each meeting has their own separate page. It says what time it's at. So we're creating a YAML file to contain all of this information along with the agenda that is contained in one of these links. And we're going to use these YAML files and integrate it with the OpenStack review of code or source control system that uses Garrett. And in that, we're going to be using Garrett jobs to trigger events that will handle scheduling conflicts and create a new wiki page based on the YAML files. And also, it will convert the YAML files to iCal files, which people will be able to download and add to their Google Calendar. So first, we will, as you can see on this slide, this shows the workflow of how Garrett works and it integrates with the OpenStack system. So Garrett is a review system that OpenStack uses that will allow users to submit changes to the YAML files. And upon these submissions, a person will be able to review it, give it a +1, and then a core reviewer can give it a +2. At the point it gets a +2, it will be pushed to Jenkins to run jobs that will update the new wiki and create iCal files for all of our YAML files that we have. First, now we're going to look at the Jenkins jobs. The first one to trigger is a check job. And the check job is used to verify the correct syntax for the YAML file and propose meeting changes. These YAML files will be converted to iCal files, and the test that proposes changes would not result in scheduling conflicts. So if anyone submits a change that results in a scheduling conflict, Jenkins is going to fail, and it's going to error out at why they're going to do that. So now we're going to run the check job on some YAML files that we have. So as you can see, it says check job is initiated. It loaded 8 YAML files that we have, and it had an error that is being highlighted where there's a scheduling conflict. It has check job is finished. Now we're going to run our gate job, which is going to be used to propose changes that would not result in scheduling conflicts, including changes that have been made since the initial check. So now we changed our senpai meeting.yaml to have no scheduling conflict. And as you see, it loaded the YAML files, and the gate job has finished successfully. Next, we are going to do our post job. This job is used to convert the YAML files to iCal files, and then publish meetings to a wiki location. As of right now, we're using just a local wiki that we have set up to post the changes. So as you can see, we ran the file, or ran the job. We're updating our wiki page. And we can see that the iCal files have been posted from here. We can download the files, and from here, once we get the files downloaded, we can upload them to our own calendar of choice. Maybe Google Calendar, Windows Calendar, anything like that. Finally, we can run the scripts locally, so we can create our own meeting. We can create our own YAML file folder to personalize our YAML file collection. And to do this, we added command line options into our script, and this will take our meetings personal folder, and it will convert the YAML files to iCal files. So our -m and -y commands, when used together, convert YAML files in our meetings personal folder locally, after filtering meetings under a personal file from the YAML file from our mylist.txt. So mylist.txt is a directory that contains all of our local YAML files we want to use. So now we can see that it loaded the 2 meetings from the YAML file, and those came from my meetings.txt, and it converted those to iCal files. So this provides a very easy way for people to customize which meetings they want to be a part of, to run our script locally and get their iCal files that way. And as you can see, we can see all of our ICS files in our local machine here. And this is the overall goal of our project. As we took the meetings from our YAML files that we created, they can be updated by chair members, and then we can download them and convert them to iCal files so we can update a personal calendar. We are the NDSU OpenStack team, and this is what we've accomplished. Thanks.